thank you for buying this 16103 adjustable tabletop desk from Fixture Displays. This product comes in just a few parts, fairly easy to assemble. There are several color variations that we sell, and this instruction serves them all in terms of how to put it together. You have the base and top, and two tubes. Have holes pre-drilled for easy adjustability. And screws as well as the top. The bottom piece, the base piece, come with a casted iron piece that you would insert the metal tube into. Remember the hole with the longer distance face down. And then you can fasten at the bottom with one of the 4 screws. If you have any questions about our product and services, feel free to email us. Our email is cs, that's Charlie Sam, at fixturedisplays.com. Likewise, you assemble the other tube. Now, the hole positions, they should face the ledge. Later on, we're going to show you how to adjust them when we come to that phase. For now, for ease of consistency, you want to let them face one direction towards you. This is the top panel, and the ledge faces up. They simply it's spring-loaded. You can pull that away, and it automatically retracts to lock into the holes. Now the bottom side, where the tube cast the iron piece is, face down, and simply slide it down carefully. As you can see, you can slide all the way down, and then you can adjust later. But for now, we're going to put the top brace over the 2 tubes. At this stage, we want to put a screw in, but not fasten yet. We want to adjust the hole positions to face the ledge, properly aligning to the 2 latches, left and right. Fixture Displays sell a large variety of consumer and business products. We encourage you to go on to fixturedisplays.com to browse more items you might be interested in. Among many other things, we also sell face masks in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Now, once they are properly aligned, we can fasten the screws on top. And the ledges work fairly straightforward. And as you adjust the tabletop up and down, you could use 2 hands to hold the ledge and then adjust and then lock at one shot, or you can disable the ledges, adjust to the desired height, and then engage the ledges at that time. Once you get good at it, you should be able to do that with one pass. Now, this tabletop holds up to 40 pounds static weight. That's more than adequate for a laptop or a computer monitor. We are going to give you some dimensions of the unit. The left to right is right about 24 inches. The front to back is right about 16 inches. And the bottom piece is much smaller. It's about 16 by 12. And the overall height The overall height is 18 inches for the highest adjustable height. And at the lowest setting, it still gives you 4 inches rise. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, CS, that's Charlie Sam, at Fixturedisplays.com. We also have a full-size table that is our item number 1227. Feel free to locate that on our website, Fixturedisplays.com. We know you have many choices in the marketplace. If you like our product and services or this video, we can definitely use a like, a share on Facebook or other social media. And please do leave a good review. Or if you have any feedback, we'd love to hear from you. CS at Fixturedisplays.com. We hope you enjoy this adjustable desktop laptop riser, adjustable table, and hope this make your life easier and healthier. Thank you and God bless you.